Alright, it should be a quick video today. I've got this little lock here. It says Union on it. It's the key right there. Key works. And I don't really know what format this is, or really anything much about it, but it wasn't too hard to pick, so let's get it open and see what's inside. It feels like it might just be standards. The keyway is a little weird, especially right there, because this front pin is a very high lift. But there you go, that is open. So again, that's the bitting, and you can see right there that really high lift front pin, and then the weirdness of the warding. So that's why I was using this tensioner kind of in the bottom, just so I would have more maneuverability in that top part. But pretty simple. Let's get this open and gutted and find out what's inside. That fell over my work. Tailpiece off. So we knew it was 5 pins here. No milling or anything. And the plug seems pretty standard stuff. Key pin's pretty basic. And let's see what's inside here. If nothing else, someone went to the trouble of balancing the stacks. So that being said, these look like pretty stock standard driver pins to me. Whoops. Oh, there was a ball bearing in there. Alright, so that ball bearing sat right here. And that was probably for center biasing, so let's zoom in here. Pretty standard stuff, looks like. Regular drivers, nothing too crazy. Probably not much else worth mentioning on that. Yeah, so it's a little weird format. I'm not sure what this was used for. I got this kind of randomly, so but that is a union, apparently. 5-pin union lock. All opened up.